Welcome to this video where we explain the different parts of an email. The next few minutes will help you understand the different parts of a business email and the purpose of each part. The first thing you need to know is who you are sending the email to. In the To field, put the email address of the person who needs to take action. The CC field is for people you need to send a copy of the information, but they do not need to take any action. CC means carbon copy. The person in the To field can see who has received the email in the CC field. The BCC field is used to send information to many people, while you do not want them to know about the others. BCC means blind carbon copy. To send an email to many people, use the BCC field so that you don't give away their email addresses. The subject line of an email is the single line of words the receiver sees when they get your email in their inbox. The receiver usually decides to open and reply to an email based on the subject line. Avoid subject lines that are only one word long. Your subject line should be a summary or a brief statement giving the most important facts of your email. A good subject line should be not more than 8 words. Make your subject line interesting. An easy way to write a good subject line is to write it after you've written the body of your email. Begin the email with the receiver's name. If the tone of the email is formal, use Mr. or Miss with their last name. If you do not know their last name, use Sir or Madam. If you know them well, you can address them by their first name. Start with a greeting or something friendly or polite. The greeting should be professional and short. Remember, do not begin a business email by saying, "Hey." When you write an email to someone for the first time, your opening line should be a short and simple sentence to show how you know each other. If you write to them often, you can ask them how they are doing in the opening line. The purpose of the email should be written directly after the opening line. The body of the email must have a clear and specific purpose, such as getting their opinion or thoughts on a report or asking your boss for leave. Keep it short so that people read it, rather than going through it and missing important information. For emails that have a lot of information, keep it as clear as you can. Remember, BLOT, bottom line on top. The bottom line, or stating the most important fact in a situation at the beginning of an email, makes sure the reader knows the purpose of the email, making it easier for them to reply. Near the end of the email, add a call to action. A call to action, or CTA, explains to the reader what they need to do next. The closing message is the last line in an email. Once you finish writing your email, you must sign off by using your first name on an informal email and your full name on a formal email. You can also use a business signature, which has important information like mobile number, designation, and company name. Once you finish writing your email, do not send it immediately. Read your email at least once. Check for dates, times, names, hyperlinks, attachments, and other specific details in the email. Check for grammar and spelling mistakes. Mistakes show you are in a hurry or do not pay enough attention. It also means that you have shared wrong information. Check carefully that you have entered the correct email address in the To field. Once you are sure that the email written is clear, easy to read and understand, you can send it. We hope you have understood the parts of an email.